The 2018 Black Friday Cyber Monday shopping season was really good if you're into 3D printing, and I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I picked up. Okay, so yeah, there were a lot of really good sales, and I went way over my budget, but some of the sales were just too good to pass up, and I figured we'd open these boxes up and kind of check out what's inside. My memory is really bad, so blessing and a curse. I'm going to be just as excited as you guys to see what's in here, because most of it, honestly, I don't remember what it is. So let's get started opening some boxes. Okay, so Amazon ran some good sales. What I did was basically, I just kept cruising the site and just waiting to see what was marked down. Nothing I got from Amazon was a lightning deal or anything like that. They would just run sales on stuff. So I just grabbed some filament here and there over, the Thursday, Friday, through Monday. So this one, giant box for one thing of filament. That's what this one is. Okay, so this one is the red PLA. I don't remember what this one even is. Red PLA. I don't even remember which brand this is that I ordered. I'll have to look it up. I'll leave a link to it in the description of the video. Like I said, horrible memory. But I do remember that they ran some sales on some, I can't remember what it was. It was a third-party seller. It was running a sale, and I don't remember the name of it. So sorry guys, like I said, I'll put a link in the description. Next is Ziltech, and they ran a good sale. They already have good prices on all their filament, but they were running, all their filament was already $1 off per spool, and then it was, I think, 15 or 20% off, and then if you order $75 or more, you get free shipping. So I ended up getting a decent amount. I think it's 6 spools, and then I've got a couple printer parts. So we have the red PLA. We'll move this here. We have the gloss black PLA. I really wanted the matte finish black, but it's pretty much always out of stock. We have some kind of PLA with an M on it, which is okay. It's the milky white, is what that one is. And then we have 3 spools of Uncle Jesse's gunmetal silver. Oh, and I was wondering, I also ordered a couple couplers, and they left me a little note. The couplers are inside. So, there we go. So there are those. And hopefully you guys can hear me fine. I've got the Ender 3 running next to me doing a print that has probably another 5-6 hours to go, so I didn't want to wait for it to finish to do this video. The couplers that I bought are the newer style couplers, this type, and I wanted to try these out on the probably on the CR10 and the Ender 3 just to see. I'd read a review on one of the websites, and one of the issues I'm having, someone had said that this actually solved their issue, so if it does, I'll probably do a video on it just to see if that does help. I have a feeling this pile's going to get kind of big. Alright. Matter Hackers. Matter Hackers ran a really good sale also. They had different percentages off on all their filament and free shipping. And the only problem I ran into is that even though I actually jumped on the sale right when it opened up. Literally, I stayed up till midnight to get it. By the time I got to it, most of the stuff I wanted was already sold out. But I was able to pick up some proto pasta, and this is the composite iron PLA, which I've really been wanting to try out. This is has actual iron shavings in it, and so you can actually weather this by getting it wet or leaving it outside and letting it rust. So I've really been wanting to try this. I did also pick up 2 spools of Filamentum from them at a really good price, but it was on back order, so they're going to ship that December 15th, and I didn't want to wait that long to do this video. So had the proto pasta and 2 spools of Filamentum. Okay, and Printed Solid. They also had some really good sales. Same thing, different percentage off just depending on which brand you got, and then free shipping as well. And actually, I'm saying that Matter Hackers was out of a lot of things. I think it might have actually been Printed Solid. I don't remember which one was which. But we got some Color Fab, their Engine in the gray metallic. We have IC3D in the blue, and these are all, this is PLA, and all these are PLA. And then we have some Polymaker Poly Plus PLA in the true green. Alright. There we go. Another Amazon box. Okay, what do we have? A spool of something. And this is a spool of Suntop Silk Blue. This is one I've been kind of looking at for a while, and they marked this one down pretty low. And then they marked it down and did a 7% off coupon, so I think this ended up being like $13, $14. And Suntop always includes a free sample, and in this one they did an ABS blue, so that's pretty cool. But this looks like a really, really pretty filament, so I'm eager to try that out. I've been using their Silk White on some other stuff, and I had some issues dialing it in, but once I got it dialed in, it actually prints really well. Alright. This one, I remember what it is because it's such a small package. 2 Samsung 32 gig micro SD cards, and I grabbed these just for the printers. They were like $4 a piece, so I just grabbed a couple of those. And we're almost done. One is Anycubic. That's right. This one is Anycubic, and it was a purple. And same thing. I grabbed this one. This was, I think, from a reseller, and they just had just marked it down really cheap. So I grabbed it. Then we have some Rep Rap Guru, and this was a fluorescent rose red, which I got. My daughters love pink and purple, so this one will be good. I had to take this one out of the box it was shipped in because it also had some Christmas gifts in it. And then the last one, same thing, this was in with some Christmas gifts, so I had to open it. But this is the Amazon Basics PLA. And this one is the translucent yellow. I kept an eye on these because they've been marking them up and down between $19.99 and $16.99. And at one point this one actually hit $12.99, so I went ahead and grabbed it. This is the only one I got in Amazon Basics, but it says it's a transparent, but I've noticed it's a little bit opaque. So I'm really interested to try this one and see what it looks like printed. And I've been wanting to try the Amazon Basics anyway, just to see what it's like. So, there we go. 2 more spools of Filamentum on the way, I know. So, this is my haul from Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Like I said, went a little bit overboard. I'll eventually maybe use it all. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching me open them up. It was fun to open them and show you guys what I had. So, if you liked the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.